Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel. And on this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to publish article on WordPress. Understand? Today, I'm going to run full video on how to publish article on WordPress. So firstly, before we start, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for more videos. Don't forget to like this video. Click the like button. Let's go there now. So guys, I'm going to share screen right now so that you'll be watching what I'll be doing one after the other. Okay. Yeah. Once you open your WordPress, this is how it is going to show you. You see, this is the dashboard. Understand? So on the dashboard, like right now, firstly, in case you don't know how we get here, see what you're going to do. Like my website is gospelniger.com. So what you're going to do is that you're going to type www.gospelniger.com/WP, that's WordPress, then score admin // Understand? This index is not really necessary, but due to I've already loaded and refreshed, that's why you saw the index. Once you click the www.gospelniger.com/WP admin /, that's all. Then it will bring you to this dashboard. Understand? Once it brings you to this dashboard, then you go to new. That new, you see new post, media, page, user. So what we are going to publish right now is post. So then you go to new post, click on new post. Okay, it's loading. You know, here network is really giving problem here sometimes, so just bear with me. Okay, once it's open this way, then if you want to create your article by yourself, you can type in the title of the article, then do everything yourself. But this time, today, due to time, I don't want to create article from fresh. I want to copy from a particular website. So what I'm trying to create today, I will be publishing today is music. Understand? So just follow the step that I'm going to take right now. Here is the website that I want to copy a post from. Understand? Let's go to this particular song. Then once you open the song, it's loading. Then here is the title. The first thing you're going to do is that you're going to copy the title. Yes, you copy the title. Then paste on the title. Due to, you know, what I'm publishing today is music, and there's a way I used to do my thing. I used to place my title the way I do it on my website. You know, every other people have their own way of customizing their title, but this is the way I do mine. I arrange it and put download, understand, in front of the title, put download, then I'll highlight everything. So if you want to add image, you come to add media. So this add media, once you click the add media, it will open, then you add your image. So I'm going back to this website to download the image for this particular song. Here's the image saved. I've saved the image. So I'm going back to my site. So then I'll drag it to here. So in case the image is already in your system, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on upload image. Once you click on upload image, you will see drop file to upload or select file. Once you click on this select file, it will take you to your folder. Then you now go to any folder that the image is. then select the image, then click open, and the thing will automatically come to here. So let's go back to media library. Here's the image that I just added right now. Then I'll come to this alternative title, then put the same title. Sorry, I copied the wrong thing, but let me go back. Then I'll highlight the title, come to that alternative title, then insert it. Once you insert you paste the title, then you now insert image into the post. Here is the image. The image is here right now. Then, this is the way I customize my own post. So it's not a must that you do yours this way, but this is how I do mine, and it helps me to rank well on Google. Understand? So I add that one. And if you want to add the focus key phrase is what people will be searching once they are searching that particular post on Google. So here is the focus key phrase that I'm going to add on this post. That's the name of the song. As you can see, I've already removed the download there. So the artist name is David Nkeno, and the name of the song is You Are God. So I just remove the download, then remove other things, then insert the name of the song and the artist name, because once people are searching, that's what they will be searching particularly. So then after you search the focus phrase, then you come to category. This is music. I have other categories: album, biography, gist, lyrics, message, mixtape, and other things, but this is music. So I'm going to select music, then tag. Then we are going to insert tag right now. Tag will be the name of the song. Then if you want to separate tag, we separate with comma. Understand? We separate tag with comma. Here is the name of the artist, Nkeno, David Nkeno. Then you separate it with comma. They separate it with separate the title of the song and the people they featured in comma. Then once you add, you see the way it will appear: the name of the artist, the name of the song, and the person that they featured on the song. So most people do add other tag like gospel music, gospel song, and many other things, but this is the way I do my thing. But the most important thing is that you add tag there. Understand? Then, when you come into, when you log into some website, you see the particular image that is displaying there. That's what we call feature image. This feature image is the image that will be displaying on the website before you open the post. So we are going to insert feature image, and just click on it, go to that library, media library, you see the particular image, and select it, then insert feature image. So after you insert the feature image, the next step is to go to meta description. This is the site that describes the particular article that you're creating. So I'm going to insert the name of the song, understand, with the download, due to the way people search songs, understand. Like if you're publishing another article that's not music, you can do it any other way that you like, but due to this is music, and people search music a lot on Google, so that's why I have to put that download in front. So I'm putting download David Nkeno, You're Great, featuring so blah blah blah. Understand? Then the next step is the write-up. That's the body of the article. So let me come here. Due to time, I don't want this video to be much longer, so I'm going to copy their own body of work. So I'm going to insert the article. That's the write-up. This is the write-up. This write-up is what indicates what narrate the song. Understand? Say David cannot finally share the video. the official video for his latest single titled "You Are Great," featuring blah blah blah, written and composed by David Nkano. Understand? So the next thing is inserting the download or YouTube link. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to embed a YouTube link here. So I'm not going to go and create download link due to copyright and so things. So, but I'm still going to do a video concerning how to place a download link. But on this particular video, I'm not going to put download link due to copyright. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to embed a YouTube video. So if you want to embed YouTube video, just come to the video, then right click. Once you right click, you will see loop, copy video URL, copy video URL at current time, copy embedded code, copy so. Understand? So what we are going to do is that we are going to copy embedded code. Once you copy embedded code, then you come back to the website. See, we are back here. So we are not going to paste it that way, because if you paste it this way, it will not work. What we are going to do is that we are going to change the WordPress from visual to test, because this is embedded code. This is code. We are going to insert code, and you can't insert code into visual. So we are going to insert the code into test. Have you seen that everything have changed? So we are going to insert it into test. So I'm going to Control V now. See, you've seen it, it have appeared. So due to this thing, most people that visit my website, they visit with phone. So I'm going to give them the size that will be okay for phone. So display that they write 441. So I'm going to change it to 600. Then this 223, I'm going to change it to 300. Understand? So after changing it to this, I'm going to go back to visual. Understand? Other, you see the way it appeared now, very clean and fine. So we are going back to that description. So as we are going back to description, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy a bit from the article, then paste in the description. Understand? And paste. I will separate it with comma, then paste. You have seen the color have changed from red to green, showing that it's okay. So, and another thing that you are going to consider before publishing your article is this. When you come to this readability must be okay or good. Make sure that it is on good or okay. Then this SEO supposed to be on okay or good. If it's not on okay or good, don't publish, because once your SEO is not okay, that means the song will be difficult for people to see online when they search it. Understand? So this is how to create a post on WordPress. I'm done. So what I'm going to do right now is to click publish. Once I click publish, it will load. So bear with me because of network. Network is a bit bad, but it will soon publish. So as you can see, it's publishing. It's loading. So congratulations, I've created a post. Understand? So if you want to view the post and see how the post look like, then we go to view post, see view post here, and click on view post, view. Yeah, here's the post, here's the particular post that we publish. Here's it. Network is disturbing, but no problem. We are going to see it clearly. Here is the post. Here's it. This is how it looks like. This particular thing here, this white background here is advert. That's why it's loading that way. It's advert because the network is not really clear, it will have to show you that way. So here's the post that we published. Like if you want to watch this video now, you just click on it, and it will play. Understand? That's it. But I don't want to play this video because it belongs to someone. I don't want them to take down my video. So next time I will not play it. I just want to show you something. So guys, this is how to publish posts on WordPress. This is how to publish music on WordPress. So if you really enjoyed this video, if this video really helped you, please kindly subscribe, like the video, make sure you subscribe on our channel. What we do is that we teach people how to make money online legitimately. Understand? We teach people how to publish on WordPress, how to mix and master music, how to trade forex, buy now way, everything that concerns making money online. That's what we do on this channel. So please subscribe to our channel and wait for our next video. Thank you and remain blessed. You're welcome. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun.